Okay, we are back and we're checking out another really cool keyboard from Drop. This is again another partnership with the Middle Earth Entertainment, specifically to create some unique Lord of the Rings inspired keyboards. But just real quick, I want to show off the beautiful art that's on the top here. I mean, that is just gorgeous the way they designed that. Yeah, Mordor, Gondor. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's the even like drop itself is limited to just the top right corner right here, which is really impressive because they really wanted to have something that stands out. So let's take this off here. Open this up. Okay. You guys ready? Boom. That is the Black Speech keyboard. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love it's just so beautiful. And of course, you have the power cord. We have different new arrow keys to swap out, especially if you love that two-tone look. We've got space bar. And now, our escape key is traditionally the ring, but if you prefer, they do have the eye right there, Sauron. And then for the enter key, you can swap that out to the sword, the shards of Narsil. So really just beautiful, beautiful work here on these keys. Oh, I almost forgot. They even give you the key remover right here, which makes it a lot easier to pull these out. These things underneath here. Just pop right off. And then you can place in, for instance, this key in its place. Really nice. I do love the two-tone. I'm probably going to swap out so that way you have the different colors. Plus, I love this enter key so much better. It's so cool. Wow. One thing I do want to point out is that although it does have the Black Speech keys numbers on here, you do still have the actual key information on the bottom right corner. So if you don't know Black Speech, you still have the ability to use the keyboard. Eventually, blind sight, you start basically typing these things out without needing the actual to know which ones are which. The actual F keys are all, you can't really see that. Same thing with the shift controls and all that. And then also your page down, page up, all those are all dedicated, unfortunately, to the Black Speech, so you don't have those hints, but they're pretty much in the same place on every keyboard, so you should have that down. The one thing I do want to talk about, though, is the sound. So I'm going to take this mic off and put it a little closer so you can hear. Wow. I love the textile feeling of these keys, the noise. It's just really beautiful. Whew. Oh, yeah, you got your drop Lord of the Rings licensing right there on the bottom. Really nice. Again, if you're a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, I would definitely recommend picking up this keyboard. It's just gorgeous. And I love just the attention to detail on the metal case. That is a thick metal case. Oh, it's really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully you're on your way to pick up your own. I do know that they are, I believe, still available for pre-order right now and shipping out soon. So definitely get your hands on this if you can before they're all gone. See you guys next time.